Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. I will show you how to use Memoji in Messages on a Mac. You may use Messages on your Mac just like on iPhone and iPads. To do this, launch Messages for macOS. Open the message thread where you want to use Messages and next, click on the app drawer located next to the typing field. Now, this will bring up the context menu which is normally used to attach images, and select Memoji stickers. If you're already created a Memoji before on your iPhone, iPad, or Apple Watch, it will show up here. You can start using your existing Memojis as stickers right away. To create a new Memoji on your Mac, click on the triple dot icon as shown here. You may see a plus icon instead if you've never made one. Next, choose New Memoji from the drop-down menu to continue. This will open the Memoji editor in a dedicated panel. Just customize your digital avatar according to your liking and click on Done to save your changes and create the Memoji. It's that simple. I will show you how to choose a focus macOS Monterey. Focus helps you stay in the moment when you need to concentrate or step away. Choose a focus that only allows the notifications you want. You can get work done while you're in the zone, or enjoy a distraction-free dinner. Pick from a list of suggested focus options or create your own. Also, when you enable focus on one of your devices, then it is automatically set across all other devices. Since when you step away it is easier if others know you're busy, therefore when you're using focus, your status will be automatically displayed in Messages. For truly urgent messages, there's still a way for people to notify you. I will show you how to set up Hello as a screensaver on macOS Monterey. Did you know that you can now use Hello as a screensaver on macOS Monterey? Here is how to do. Go to the upper left corner of the screen and click on the Apple icon. Next, click on System Preferences. At System Preferences, click on Desktop and Screen. At Desktop and Screen you will find the Hello screensaver. Just click on it and it will be set as your screensaver. It's that simple. I will show you how to convert photos on macOS Monterey. Converting photos on macOS Monterey is easier than ever. I will convert a photo from PNG format to JPEG format, and at the same time, I will show you how to keep same photo quality with same resolution but reduce the file size significantly. Go to the photo you want to convert, right-click on it, and at the menu go to Convert Image. At Convert Image, you may choose the format you want to convert to, and the image size. In my case, I want to convert to JPEG, and use the same quality image, so I will keep this photo to its actual size. Make your choices, and then click on Convert. In my case, I will click on Convert to JPEG. Now, I will check the file's info to make sure that the photo was converted to JPEG, and you will notice a considerable reduction in file size, while maintaining the same resolution. It's that simple. I will show you how to enable compact tab bar on Safari in macOS Monterey. Some people like the clean and compact tab bar look of Safari in macOS Monterey, but it does not come by default. Here is how to set up the compact tab bar. Run Safari. At Safari, click at the top left corner the Safari menu, and then, at the menu click on Preferences. At Preferences click on the Tabs tab. Next, click on Compact to get the nice crisp compact tab bar look you want to set it up to. It's that simple. I will show you how to customize the pointer in macOS Monterey. You may now easily customize the pointer on macOS Monterey, so here is how to do it. On the top left corner, click on the Apple logo. Next, at the menu click on System Preferences. At System Preferences, go to Accessibility. At Accessibility, click on Display. Now at Display, click on the Pointer tab. At the Pointer tab now you may customize the color of the pointer. You may customize the color of the outline of the pointer. You may even customize the size of the pointer. It's that simple. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. More than 1,200 Apple product related videos. Thank you for viewing, subscribing, sharing and liking.